Assalamu alaikum kids. This is letter T. And you know the sound of letter T. The sound of letter T is T, T. And this is letter H. And the sound of letter H is H, H. But when we see both of these letters together, the sound is T, T. Time to listen to a story. A man was sitting under the thick trees. Suddenly he saw a thin boy struggling with 3 thieves. He ran to help the thin boy. Do you help others? Thick, thin, 3, thieves. All of these words are having same initial sound, and the same initial sound is th, th, as in thick, as in thin, as in thief, as in 3. Now can you please look around and try to name a few objects starting with the same th sound? Thank you.